Okay, so let's go. Which conjecture can a high school athletic director make based off the graph at the right? Again, what is inductive reasoning?
You're inducing from what you're given and you're concluding like you're making a conjecture.
We're making a conclusion, right? Proving a conjecture based off
from the induced knowledge.
Based off of patterns going on. So previous pattern. So what kind of conjecture could we make about this? A conjecture is just basing this off this pattern and then we can make a rule, right? More boys, so let's go through our here. We have girls registered for soccer, and then here's the years. Obviously, what's happening each year with girls soccer?
Growth.
It's growing. So that's we can make a conjecture based off of that. You know, every year it's growing. So let's go and see which conjecture a high school athletics director could make based off of this. Could we say A, more boys play soccer than girls?
No, because there's no boys even in the graph.
Looking at what these information and patterns we have to know, right? It's girls. More girls are playing soccer today than in 1995. Possibly. Well, here's 1995. As you can see, we can assume what's going to happen in 2011. 2012, obviously, if it's increasing, we can assume it's increasing. So that could be a possible conjecture. More people are playing soccer today than in the past because the 1994 World Cup games were held in the United States.
No.
You know, maybe, but we can't base it off of the information we have, right? And the number of girls playing soccer was more in 1995 than in 2011 or 2001.
That's just false.
That is false. And how do we know that? Here's 1995, here's 2001. Obviously, the number of girls playing soccer
actually
was not
2006, Ms. Garcia.
Sorry.
Pulling you out on your problems.
Oh, right, Angela. So what kind of conjecture can the athletic director make here based off of the patterns and our graph here?
So the answer is B. More girls are playing soccer today than in 1995.
Very good. So again, inductive reasoning, we're basing it off the previous patterns, and then once we figure out the pattern, we should be able to find out what's happening next. And conjectures. What's a conjecture?
Disproving? No, that's completely wrong. A conjecture is the statement that makes the whole entire thing true. Maybe not exactly how I worded it, but that's what I mean.
So
don't listen to me, class. Listen to
So again, inductive reasoning, we're coming up with a conclusion based off of patterns. We have conjectures, unproven statement based on observation.
That's what I said.
Very good. And then of course you can disprove it, and all you need to do is one counterexample to disprove it. So what you are going to do for the rest of your class, and if you don't finish it, you must finish it for homework. And I'll put it up real quick. Of course I don't have it on the blog yet. So. Actually, you know what? It's on the handouts I gave you. So if you look on your handout at the bottom, it says today's lesson. You're doing page 8 and I think it's 9, page 9 through 10, 1 through 4, 5 through 11, odd, 8, 15, 18, and 23. Right there on your handout. Complete it. You finish it in class, awesome, no homework. If not, finish it at home. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.